Welcome to our channel Financiable everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a Cashapp account. So after you download Cashapp, click on Cashapp to open it. And once you open Cashapp, first step it's going to ask you to enter your phone number or email. So if you want to create an account using your phone number, you can enter your phone number. If you want to use your email, click email. Once you choose email, you need to enter your email. So I'm going to enter my email over here real quick, and I click on versus next. Once I click on next, on the next step it's gonna send a confirmation code to your mail. Go to your mail to check it. Once you go to your mail and check the confirmation code and type it, click on next, and on the next step it's gonna ask you to enter a name for your Cash App, and then it's gonna ask you to create a cash tag. Alright, so in my case there was a little problem, that's why I can't move forward from this step. But if you guys have verified your mail, then on the next step, as I said, it's gonna ask you to type a name for your Cash App and then a cash tag for your Cash App. After you choose that, your account will be created and you can use your Cash App from there. How you guys can change your full name on Cash App. And remember, this is not your cash tag. Your cash tag and your name is different in Cash App, alright? So this video is for your name, not for your cash tag. For cash tag, we're gonna make a separate video, alright? First step is, once you open Cash App, you want to click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Alright, so I haven't uploaded any profile picture on my Cash App, that's why it's showing this. Alright, so if you haven't as well, it's going to show you this, so just click on it either way. Alright, now once you click on it, you can see my current name, David Dobrik. Alright, so if I want to change it, I need to click on my name. And once I click on my name, it's going to give me all these options, and from all these options you want to click on edit name. Alright, once you click on edit name, it's gonna give you option to change your name. So I'm gonna click on edit name and it's gonna ask me to change my name. So let me change it to Messi. So once I write Messi, I click on submit and it's gonna be changed. And remember, most people get confused, but you can change your name however much time you want, but your cash tag, you can only change it 3 times. Alright, so you need to be careful with changing your cash tag because you can only do it 3 times, but your name, you can change it however much you want. Alright, how you guys can add another bank account on your Cash App. First step, you open Cash App, then you click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now since I have not yet uploaded any profile picture, it's showing me this. But if you guys have uploaded a profile picture, it's going to show you your profile picture. Just click on it either way. And once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. And from all these options, you want to click on versus linked banks. Because once you click on it, all the banks card you have linked is going to be shown. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this. Now from over here, you want to click on your bank account, alright? So click on your bank account. Once you click on it, it's going to give you these 3 options. And from over here, you want to click on replace. Now once you click on replace over here, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can enter your new bank's detail. So first, it's going to ask you to, click on continue. So click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to show you the list of the bank. And from over here, if you don't see your bank, you can search for it. But let's say for an example, Wells Fargo is my bank. I click on it and it's going to ask me to verify I'm a human. So I'm going to complete the CAPTCHA over here. And once I complete the CAPTCHA, on the next step, it's going to ask me this. So I'm going to click on continue. Click on continue again. And it's going to take me to the page where I need to enter my bank detail. And after I enter my bank detail, my bank will be linked with my Cash App. And once my bank is linked with Cash App, my older bank will be removed from Cash App and the newer one is going to be set on my Cash App. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it is. So yeah, that's how you guys can do it. I just need to enter my username, password, click on sign on. My Wells Fargo is going to be connected with my Cash App, but I don't want to do that right now, so I'm going to cross it. How you guys can add another debit card on your Cash App or change your debit card. First step, you need to open your Cash App. After you open your Cash App, at the top right corner, you can see your profile picture. Now, I have not yet uploaded a profile picture, that's why it's showing this. So just click on this icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. Now, once you're over here, you can see this option called linked banks. Now, all of your credit card, bank account, debit card, which you have linked on your, Cash App is going to be shown once you click on it. So just click on it. And once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. And over here you can see your debit card. Alright, so once you see a debit card, you want to click on it, and once you click on your debit card, it's going to give you these 3 options. And from these 3 options, you can see the replace one. You want to click on replace. Once you click on replace, it's going to bring you over here. And over here you need to enter your debit card 16-digit code of your new debit card, right? Not your old one. Once you enter it, click on next. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to enter your debit card CVV number and its expiration date. After you enter that, basically your new debit card will be added on your Cash App, whereas your old debit card is going to be removed automatically by Cash App. Alright, how you guys can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Now once you open the app Cash App, you want to click on this little B icon. It's basically the Bitcoin sector. So click on this and you're over here. Now once you're over here, you can see the buy option. Click on it. Once you click on the buy option, you can see the three dots over here. You want to click on the three dot. Once you click on the three dot, you can enter any amount. Alright, so let's say I want to buy $15, so I'm going to enter 15 and click on next. And basically it's going to ask me to enter my mobile number, because in order to buy Bitcoin in Cash App, you need to verify your Cash App account as well as have your mobile number linked with your Cash App. If you guys have already verified your account and have already linked a mobile number to your Cash App, basically after entering the amount and clicking on buy, that much amount is going to be cut off from your Cash App, which means I wrote $15, which means $15 needs to be on my Cash App. So if my account was verified and my mobile number was linked, once I entered $15, the $15 from my Cash App was going to be cut for buying Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin is going to be stored on my Cash App, and I can send it to my friend or like hold it and sell it in the later date for getting the profit. Alright, how you guys can change your Cash App pin if it is not working, or if you forgot your Cash App pin and you want to change it without knowing your current Cash App pin. Alright, first step, open your Cash App and click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now since I have not uploaded any profile picture, it's showing this. So in your screen it might show you your profile picture. Just click on it. Once you click on it, go on privacy and security. Once you're under privacy and security, you can see the change cash pin option. You want to click on it. If you don't see this, it basically means your Cash App pin is not yet turned on, which means you don't have a Cash App pin yet. Alright, so turn it on and click on change cash pin. And over here you can see the forget cash pin option at the bottom. You want to click on that because we don't remember our current Cash App pin, and click on I forgot my cash pin. Now once you're over here, basically you need to enter your confirmation code, and it's going to be sent to your email or your phone number, whichever thing you have used when you created your Cash App. I used my email, so it's going to send a confirmation code to my email. And once I look into my email and type the confirmation code over here, so I'm going to type my confirmation code, you guys should type yours. Alright, after you type yours, click on next. Once you click on next, it's gonna ask you to enter your new Cash App pin, but for some reason it's showing me this, but in your case it should not show you that. Alright, I'm currently facing a problem over here, but you guys should not. So once you enter your confirmation pin, it's gonna ask you to enter your new Cash App pin. Alright, how you guys can change your credit card or add another credit card on your Cash App. So the first step is open your Cash App. After you open your Cash App, you can see your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now since I have not yet uploaded any profile picture on my Cash App, it's showing me this, but if you have uploaded a profile picture, it's going to show you a profile picture. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the option called linked banks. Alright, you want to click on this option. Now once you click on this option, it's going to show you all the cards which are linked on your Cash App. But we don't care about other cards, we care about credit card. So you can see your credit card over here. So just click on your credit card and it's going to give you these three options. And from these three options, you can see the replace one. Once you click on replace, it's going to take you to the place where it's going to ask you to enter the 16-digit number of your new credit card. Once you enter the 16-digit number of your new credit card, it's going to ask you to enter the expiration date and its CVV number. After you enter that, basically your new credit card will be set on your Cash App, whereas your older one is going to be removed because we replaced it with a newer one. Alright, how you guys can add money on your Cash App without debit card. First step, after you open Cash App, what you want to do is, if your other friends has Cash App, then you can give your friend a money. Let's say one of my friend uses Cash App, I can give him $20 and ask him to transfer $20 from his Cash App to my Cash App. Alright, for that case I need to give him my cash tag, so your cash tag is going to be over here. Click on the profile picture or like this icon at the top right corner, and you see this little dollar icon and this name. You need to give it to your friends, and your friend can send like $20 to this, and basically this is my account and I'm going to receive $20, which means $20 is going to be on my Cash App. That's one way to get money on your Cash App without having a debit card. The other way is you can click on this house looking icon. Basically I have $0 in my Cash App right now, that's why it's showing this house, but if you have like $10-20, it's going to be shown over here. So click on it and you can see paper deposit. Click on paper deposit. So what paper deposit means is there's multiple location and store which transfers money into your Cash App. So you can go to the store and give money to the store's owner, and the store owner is going to transfer transfer money from his Cash App to your Cash App. That's what paper money is called, alright? You give a person paper money, the real money, they're gonna transfer the money from their Cash App to your Cash App. That's called paper money. You can also use this option, or what you can do is you can click on a profile picture again and go on versus linked banks and click on versus linked debit card, but don't worry, we're not gonna link debit card, and click on no card. Now once you go on no card option, you can link your bank account. After you link your bank account, you can transfer money from your bank into your Cash App and use it, alright? That's the other way to use your Cash App without debit card. How we guys can buy stocks using Cash App. First, once you open Cash App, you can see this little icon over here, this arrow looking icon going to the top. This is for the stock section and you want to click on it. Now once you're in the stock section, you can see discover a stock. You want to click on it. Now once you're over here, you can see there's like different sector. If you're on sports, you can go on sports. If you're on shopping, you can go on shopping. But if you don't want to do that, you can just search for it. So I'm going to search for Walmart, and once I search for it, I can see Walmart over here. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to take me to this page where I can buy Walmart stock. Now I can click on buy and choose the amount. So I'm going to click on this three dot and I'm going to enter a random amount over here, $20, and click on next. Once I click on next, the $20 from my Cash App is going to be used in order for buying the stock. But since I haven't verified my Cash App account, it's not letting me. So first you need to complete your verification process in Cash App. You can click on continue and verify yourself. After you verify yourself, basically the stock whichever you chose is gonna be bought. But remember, if I want to buy a $20 Walmart stock, I need to have $20 on my Cash App, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy stocks using Cash App, by coming to this section and by verifying your account. But if your account is already verified, you can buy stock easily. So how you guys can fix Cash App this transfer field? The other reason could be that the person's cash tag you wrote is incorrect. So let's say, for an example, I want to send $10 to my friend. I write 10, I click on pay. And over here where it says cash tag, if I write cash tag of a person which doesn't exist, so I write a random name and then person doesn't exist and I try to click on pay, then the transfer is not gonna happen. In order for the transfer to happen, you need to verify if the person you want to send is there or not. So I write Kevin and it's going to show me Kevin. So this person exists. So I can choose his name, click on confirm and click on pay, and then only the transfer is going to happen. But sometimes even if you write the correct cash tag, the payment is not gonna happen. As I said, it might be an internet connection, and the second option could be that Cash App is down, which means if Cash App is undergoing some maintenance, then like during that time their servers are gonna be off, which means you cannot send money to anybody as well as anybody can send money to you. For that problem to be solved, you just need to wait until cash tag servers are online again, which means they fixed the problem which they had, alright? And the other thing could be that the person you're trying to send money, their Cash App account is banned or is like suspended. So if I try to send money to my friend's account and his account is suspended, then the transfer is not gonna happen and it's gonna say this transfer failed as well. So if you're trying to send money to somebody whose account is suspended as well, you can't, right? In that case, you just need to wait for their suspension to be over and you can send money to them, alright? How you guys can cash out from Cash App? Now first, to link your bank account, you click on a profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. If you see it, you want to click on it, and once you click on it, you can see linked banks. You want to click on it. Now if you have linked a debit card over here, it's going to show you an option called link credit card, link bank. But if you haven't linked anything, just like me, it's going to show you link debit card. So click on link debit card, and over here click on no card because we want to link our bank. And over here it's going to take you to the page where you guys can link your bank, alright? So it's going to ask you to continue, so wait for some time until it appears. So I'm going to click on continue, and from over here you can choose your bank and enter a bank detail and connect your bank with Cash App. If you don't see your bank from over here, just search for it, alright? Once you link your bank, what you want to do is you need to go back and click on this house looking icon. Now I have $0 on my Cash App, that's why it's showing me a house looking icon. But if you guys have some amount of money deposited on your Cash App, that amount is going to be shown over here. So just click on it and you can see the cash out option over here. So what you want to do is click on cash out. Now once you click on cash out, it's going to show you this. Now from over here you can choose how much money you want by playing around with the slider, and after you choose how much money you want to cash out, you can see these two options over here, instant and the other one. So if you click on instant, your money is going to be transferred into your bank instantly within an hour, but it's gonna charge you some fee, alright? And it's gonna charge you some fee because of the fast transaction. But if you can wait for like 2 or 3 days, then you can choose the other option, and it's gonna take you 2 or 3 days, but after 2 or 3 days your money is gonna be transferred into your bank account. So it's up to you which option you want to choose. After you choose the option, basically it's done, your transfer will happen, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can cash out your money in Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Financiable. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.